Oh my God, it's so good. Try a salad like this for some vital nourishment today. So first we need the crunchy components of the salad, and we're using both carrots and fennel bulb. Now, if you don't like the anise flavor of fennel bulb, don't worry, you can just use all carrots for the salad, or you can intertwine a little bit of celery or other crunchy vegetables like leeks, rutabaga, or even jicama would work in the salad as well. Now, I personally love carrot ribbons for the salad. It just creates a fun texture and something totally different than what people are used to. Plus, it's really therapeutic to shred your carrots. And here's a little fun fact. Did you know that carrots actually pull excess estrogen from the body? So if you're dealing with any hormonal situations going on, or you just want to tap into a little bit more grounded energy, start eating more carrots and see how you feel. Now, something that I love about this salad is the fact that it has all of the elements from root up to the fruit. So we have carrots and garlic that are nice and grounding and come from underneath the earth. And then we have the bulb of the fennel that sits on top of the earth when it grows, and that goes for the green onions as well. And then we work our way up into the fruit, the citrus in our dressing, plus the beautiful persimmons in our dressing. And we also have pecans. So again, we're getting a nice balance of not only flavors, but also different energies of the food. Beta carotene in carrots is also incredible for your skin and your eyes. Moving onward to the fennel. Fennel is kind of like cilantro. You either love it or you hate it. I think people should give fennel a try. Surprisingly, fennel is actually a really great source of vitamin C, and it is loaded with antioxidants. Plus, it's just so crispy and fresh. It goes really well with apples and any sort of fall type flavors. I cut the fennel bulb in half so I can lay it on my cutting board flat, and now I'm just going to cut it into really fine slices. You can go ahead and cut all the way up until you get to the fronds. By the way, I love my cleaver. If you don't have a kitchen cleaver, I highly suggest you get one, especially for those big vegetables that are sometimes hard to navigate. Plus, the heaviness of the knife makes it easier to go through whatever you're cutting. Cleavers are also perfect to go slamming into your summer melons, like butter. I'm cutting up the fronds to put into the salad too. The fennel fronds almost taste like dill, and they also have the same texture. Plus, it adds that aromatic flavor and the decorative touch of the greenery. Look how pretty this is so far. Yummy. Okay, so now we're gonna make the dressing. My pecans, about 4 juicy fuyu persimmons. It makes it easier on your blender if you go ahead and chop them up first. A clove of garlic for the anti-cancer kick. A little salicornia, also known as green salt or sea asparagus, for chlorophyll, depth of flavor, saltiness, and skin-loving benefits. A dash of cayenne, because who doesn't love heat? The juice of about 4 navel oranges. Ooh. Citrus juicer is actually bomb. I did a little dumbbell work yesterday, so I'm a smidge sore. Whoever said that you can't get a workout in the kitchen? Ugh. All right, so my juice is going into my blender. We're gonna zhuzh it up. When I use green onions in recipes, I usually use the white and the green part together. That's more of the macrobiotic way. But if you do have a sensitive stomach, just using the greens can be beneficial for you. I'm actually using the green onion as a garnish after I dress this. All right, now I'm going to dress this. I am telling you something. The combination of persimmons with pecans plus the citrus is wildly unbelievable. It's so good. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm just gonna mix this salad together. And I wanna point out how important it is to eat more raw living foods on a normal basis. This is a bloodline at Vital Reset, and it's for really good reason. When you eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, you're getting structured hydration, the most antioxidant bang for your buck, and raw foods will truly make you feel so much more alive. I gotta try it. The spiciness from the cayenne with the sweetness from the persimmons and the creaminess from the pecans is literally perfect. All right, we're going in with the fennel. The bulb and the fronds are a really delicate flavor that can be so fun to add to your dishes. All right, now I'm gonna add the green onion to the top. You don't have to use as much as I do. I just really love green onion. Look at that, it's so beautiful and so yummy.